Trying out a quick experiment today. My new book, Money You Can Hack It, is out this Friday. Be sure to pre-order now. Put your favorite number, 1 through 101, or just any number, and I'll let you know what the tip or hack is from the book. Thanks, guys. Okay, number 16 is to double your emergency fund. So whatever you think you need cash on hand for an emergency, double it. And there was actually a study done that says you need $2,467. I would go for 3 to 6 months of expenses. Number 79 is dollar cost average into the market when it comes to investing. So this is investing the same amount of money at a set interval, let's say monthly. I recommend automating this because always remember it's time in the market, not time in the market that counts. Tip 33 is the concept of house hacking. So with house hacking, you buy a house with an extra room, or you buy a duplex, triplex, quadplex, etc. Use the income from renting out those units to cover the entire mortgage. You might even make some money. The first tip in the book is to find your why. You don't need a budget, you need a why. Whys are the reasons behind your goals. Try to figure out your why by writing down the 3 words that come to mind. Also, you don't need to be rich to live rich. Number 12 is a simple but powerful savings tip. This is to create goals, break it down, and automate your way to it. $10,000 in 1 year is $192 a week. By the way, you can set up a separate savings account using your own bank in a few clicks. Tip 23, great number. This is to work from home and consider geoarbitrage. So if you're able to work remotely permanently, you might want to work in a place with a high cost of living and move to a place with a lower cost of living, thus making your money go further. Tip 22 is to factor in depreciation when you're making a big purchase. So obvious example, buying a new car. The moment you drive it off the lot, it loses 10% of its value, plus 15 to 20% each year after that. So buy assets, not liabilities. Tip 61, every wallet needs one good cashback credit card. I recommend one with no fee. My 2 picks are the Citi Double Cashback Credit Card and the Chase Freedom Unlimited. I recently did a video on the Money Resolution YouTube channel with my top 5 picks for 2020. This one came from Facebook. Number 69, avoid the endowment effect. That effect is where we put more value on the things that we own in our possession than the things we don't. This tends to be why people don't sell anything at garage sales. So don't overprice, sell, sell, sell. Number 94, consider skipping college. Maybe not so crazy with COVID, but also this. Since the late 1970s, consumer goods have gone up 4x. College tuition, 14x. Consider online courses or trade school instead. Number 10, divert your savings into savings. So anytime you're able to reduce a bill or eliminate a bill, credit card, that kind of thing, take that money you're used to putting towards that bill and put it into your savings instead. 2 birds, 1 hack. Number 77, ditch the budget. Why? Well, most people end up abandoning their budget anyway after a week, 2 weeks, a month, 2 months. It's kind of like going on a diet. Instead, focus on building good money habits that stick. Okay, I'm fresh out of numbers. If you got any more, definitely send them over one way or another and I'll get to it. I'll be here all night. I don't normally talk about my finance projects here on my personal page, so definitely check out the Instagram and Facebook page. Just search for The Money Resolution. Number 42 is a whole bunch of travel tips, but I'll give you a couple real quick. Best days to fly are Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Always book your flights between 60 and 90 days out. And don't forget, a lot of TVs have a USB port in the back in case you forgot your little brick for the charger. Okay, last 2 hacks here tonight. Number 92 is a whole bunch of student loan debt payoff strategies, but the one I want to leave you with is to take your monthly bill, divide it by 2, pay that every 2 weeks. If you do this, you're going to end up paying 13 months in 12 months. Okay, last one, number 9. This is all credit card payoff strategies. So the one I'll give you is to use an online calculator to create a plan. NerdWallet has an awesome one. While paying off your credit card, do not use that credit card. In fact, freeze it in a block of ice. And for the last time, Money You Can Hack It, out this Friday on Amazon. You can pre-order it today. Thank you guys for participating. I had a lot of fun doing this. Follow at The Money Resolution on Instagram. I think I'm going to do an AMA or something this Friday on launch. Thanks, guys. Good night.